Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here. Today we're diving into some eye-opening facts about the meat industry that you absolutely need to know. From the hidden corners of factory farms to the bustling floors of meat processing plants, there's a lot to uncover. Now, I enjoy a good burger as much as the next person, but there's a dark side to our carnivorous cravings, a side that involves deforestation, antibiotic abuse, and environmental degradation. And let's not forget the animals suffering, enough to make a grown man cry. These animals endure cramped conditions and stressful transport, all for the sake of our meals. Don't worry, we'll have plenty of adorable animal footage later to lighten the mood, because if we're going to expose the ugly underbelly of the meat industry, we might as well do it with a healthy dose of irony. After all, who doesn't love a cute kitten or playful puppy? So buckle up, buttercups, because things are about to get real. We're about to embark on a roller coaster ride through the meat industry, and it's going to be an eye-opening journey. Picture this: lush rainforests teeming with life reduced to barren wastelands. These vibrant ecosystems, home to countless species, are being wiped out at an alarming rate. That's the harsh reality of deforestation, and the meat industry is a major culprit behind this environmental catastrophe. To raise cattle, we clear vast swathes of land, often through destructive slash-and-burn agriculture. This method not only destroys the forest, but also the rich biodiversity it supports. It's like giving the Amazon a Brazilian wax, except instead of smooth skin, we get a scorched earth devoid of life and beauty. And the irony is, we're not just destroying precious ecosystems, we're also contributing massively to climate change. See, trees absorb carbon dioxide, but when we burn them down, that carbon is released back into the atmosphere, accelerating global warming. This process undermines our fight against climate change. It's a vicious cycle, and frankly, it's leaving a bad taste in my mouth. We need to rethink our choices and their impact on our planet. Let's talk about antibiotics, those miracle drugs that have saved countless lives. They have revolutionized medicine, turning once deadly infections into minor inconveniences. But here's the thing, we're overusing them, and not just on ourselves. We're also using them extensively in agriculture. In factory farms, animals are crammed together in such horrific conditions that they're practically begging for an infection. These environments are breeding grounds for disease. To prevent this, farmers pump them full of antibiotics, often as a preventative measure. This isn't just about treating sick animals, it's about keeping them from getting sick in the first place. It's like giving everyone in a crowded subway car a Z-Pack, just in case. Imagine the consequences of such widespread use. The problem is, this overuse is breeding antibiotic-resistant bacteria, or superbugs, which can jump from animals to humans. These superbugs are a serious threat to public health. So that bacon cheeseburger you're enjoying, it might come with a side of untreatable infection. This is the hidden cost of our reliance on antibiotics. Now, let's talk about the stars of the show, or should I say the victims, the animals themselves. In factory farms, animals are treated more like commodities than living beings. Chickens are crammed into battery cages so small they can barely move. Pigs are confined to gestation crates where they can't even turn around. And cows are subjected to painful mutilations without anesthesia. It's enough to make you want to swear off meat altogether. But hey, at least they're slaughtered humanely, right? Well, about that. Here's a fun fact. Eating processed meat is just as carcinogenic as smoking cigarettes. That's right, that bacon you love so much. It's basically a meat cigarette, but it's not just processed meat. That's the problem. Red meat in general has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. It's almost like our bodies weren't designed to consume large amounts of animal products. The meat industry is big business, and like any good capitalist enterprise, they'll do whatever it takes to protect their profits, even if it means influencing government policy. Through lobbying efforts and campaign contributions, they've managed to secure subsidies, weaken regulations, and stifle any attempts to promote plant-based alternatives. It's a classic case of money talks, and in this case it's saying, keep eating meat, even if it's killing you and the planet. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content like this. Look, I'm not here to tell you to go vegan, but we can't ignore the impact our dietary choices have on the planet and ourselves. Reducing our meat consumption even slightly can make a big difference, so next time you're at the grocery store, maybe consider opting for a plant-based alternative. Your body, the planet and the billions of animals raised for food will thank you.